Good morning, sir.
Hi.
Good morning.
So info objects are five types. These are the five types, okay? Characteristic info object. So we can create by using these info objects, these objects, we can create it. DSO, cube, multiproder, okay? And also info set also we can create it. These objects we will create it. Okay, this is the minimum, okay, in the interior question level. So while creating info object, so few settings would be there while creating info object. So here we having three settings. Okay, this is one checkbox. Checkbox one, master data, and this is second checkbox, hierarchies. So when you select checkbox master data, there is a possibility to create P, Q, X, Y, and MV. These tables will generate. Okay, when you select this one, text table will generate. Text table will generate. This is like T table. Text table means T table. Hierarchy tables, when you select the checkbox hierarchies, these tables will generate. Okay. So basically, like no data two types. One is master data. Second one is transactional data. Transactional data. So when it will be become master data, when it will become master data, okay. So info object like no master data only. Info object will behave master data. Master data. Master data and will store physically. Will store physically data. So when we check, when we check the when we check the checkbox, when we check the checkbox of master data or text or hierarchy, then it will behave like master data. If you don't select the if you don't select the option, if you don't select the checkboxes, then it will behave normal object. So it's not a master data. If we don't select three checkboxes, at least we should select either one. Okay, either one, master data or text or hierarchies. So we'll see in the system level. So when you log in the system, just to double click this one. Okay, so this is the 7.0 version. We'll see all the differences. So I typed RSD1T code. I typed RSD1T code. Directly I can come to this screen. Okay, yesterday what we have created YY plant example. So we created this object. It is in green color means it is in active version. You can see. So I can use active and executable object status. And when you select this one, where you will get the option? See here, master data text. This one only with the master data with the text and then hierarchy. So here you can see right, the text table is not generated here. Text table would be there here. And this P table, M view, this is M view, this is P table, and this is X table, Y table will generate automatically. So we didn't maintain all this. Okay, hierarchy tables. Just to go to edit mode and you can select this one and the hierarchy tab came. Before it was not there. Okay, when I remove this with master data, so attributes tab will go. When you select this option, okay, when I select this option, table generated. So when I select this short, medium, long, okay, this text will generate, okay. And then I will go to attribute And what is the plant? Okay, this one I will add some. Okay, just I will add it for this plant only. Okay, when I add, so you can see here, this is time dependent, right? Okay, I'll click this one and also will click this one. So what will happen? You can see in the back end how many tables will generate. You can see multiple tables will generate. Okay. Okay. And you can see just giving the name. Okay. Just activating it. So you will come to know. So generally in the real time also we'll get ignore warning and activate it. So this is warnings, just warnings. Just activate them. That means we are maintaining the master data. Okay, you can see here it is in active version now. Okay, now you can go to here. Now you can see how many tables generated, boss. This is the M view. Okay, M view. See, I mean, this is the info object name. That object name is plant. Okay, you can see remove this YY plant. You can see only M, right? Just double click. This is combination of two views. You can see P and Q table. This is what we discussed. What is the common field? Plant only. So based on the plant, it is taking. This is plant field name. This is the table name, key table. This is P table. You can see this is P. Slash BIC is common and P. Okay, so you can see these two are common fields. Okay, you can see here and you can go here. I didn't load the data. Okay, as of now. I didn't load the data as of now. So automatically two fields came, right? See, automatically it came. What is dependent? In the real time, when you will create master data dependent and when you will create without dependent in the real time. So when I go this text table, see here what we have selected these options. So if you want to load the master, okay, example, what is the text? Why we have to select this one? That your question. Example. Okay, in that case, okay, example, this is my object. Why I'm selecting this master data text and attributes? This is attributes, and here we have a text, and here we have a hierarchy. Okay, example. So hierarchy is not that much important. Fine. Okay, now my plant name is 1000. So 1000 means what is the name for plant in the real time? So I'm newly joined in the company. I don't know 1000. So if I know here Dubai plant something text if it there easily it will understand. So that is what we will maintain in the text table. Okay, in the text table we'll maintain. Okay, you can see here. This is plant. Plant is 1000. Oh, what is the short description? Dubai. Okay, medium text. Dubai plant. Long description. Dubai plant. Like this we will maintain it. If you come to names also same. Okay, Kiran. Okay, small letter. I mean short description is just Sai. Okay, medium is Sai Kiran. And this is Sai Kiran Reddy. Something like this will maintain it short, medium, long. So if you are going to apply any government job, they will ask you, right, name. What is the first name, middle name, last name? So like that, okay, we will maintain the text for the particular plans. Generally, in the company level, for example, currently I'm working in some other company. So in that company, we have 195 plans, 195 plans. So for 195 plans, we need to understand. Go to here and okay, this is relevant to which plant? This is Europe plant. This is America plant and this is like Dubai plant. We need to easily identify that where exactly is located this plant. Okay, so that is the way we will maintain the texture. Okay, for understanding only. Okay, you can see attributes we maintain it. Okay, for creating these tables only I maintain it in the attributes. So here you can see time dependent master data table, time dependent SID table. So you can see SID table it will be there here, first table. So here minimum is data type and length. Okay, if you don't give a data type or length, it will not create at all. It is not possible to create at all. Minimum, this is the very important. Okay, okay, without data type and length, we cannot create info object. This is basic thing. Okay, when you select a master data checkbox or else text checkbox or else hierarchy checkbox, then it will behave like master data. Either or, either or. when you select When you select with master data or with text or with hierarchy. If you select anything, then it will behave master data. Clear? When we will call master data? When you maintain, if you select at least one, either one, with master data or with hierarchy or with master data with text. Anything we need to select. Okay, this is for old BW. Okay. How about in BW on HANA or BW for HANA? Okay, let me log in here. Yesterday we created one info area. Okay, we'll see that. This is the info area. Yesterday we created. Click this and we created one info object as well. That is plant. Okay, now you can see here. Now you can see minimum here also same. If you don't give length, then it will not allow you to activate it. Okay, here also we have a master data and text and hierarchies. Where you can see, as of now we don't have, right? If you want to see the tables in here, you can see the tables. Okay, I will go to properties. Okay, go to DDIC. Now you can see elements, data element, and this is SID table, and this is master data view. This is master data view, and this is master data table P table, and this is T table. So I don't see hierarchy tables, right? H, I, J, K, and all. Even I don't see Q and X, Y, and all. We don't see, right? Okay, if you want to see them, and we need to maintain attributes as well. We don't have attributes, right? So if you give any attributes, select this one, then it will create. Ah, yeah, I'm just giving it. So are you, if you select this navigation attribute, okay, it will behave like navigation attribute. Fine. So now we'll see once you activate, then it will reflect. Okay. And go to here. And if you select this option, okay, I will go to here and I will select medium and long as well. By default, okay, I'll select time dependent as well. Okay, if you go to general, I will select the hierarchy as well. Hierarchy tab came, same like, okay, now in the hierarchy level, okay, if you select or if you don't select also fine, okay. By default, free tables will come. You can see in the below, tables are generated, right? Now you can see. So this X table will come when we load the data, it will be enabled, okay. See here. However, you can see in the older version, same it is came here also. Where how you will see them? Go to properties, go to DDIC, and here you can see. Okay. HIJK table and T table, X table, P table, M table, S table. So this is extra data element over there also here. You can see here that is data element. Okay. If you go to general tab, so here is this is not a table, just a data element. Okay. So, however, you can see same options you can see little bit different. I don't see Business Explorer, master data text. You can see master data text. You can see hierarchies. Okay, attributes and compounding. I don't see compounding. Where you will give the compounding? If you want to maintain any compounding, yes, you can maintain it. Okay, I will do like no, just look. Yeah, see, when activate it, and it will be like no green button. That means you are maintaining the compounding as well. See that you can see in the green color will come highlight. That means you already maintained it. In this case, whatever you open any object, if you see any green color, that is maintained it. I mean, here you can see master data text maintain, hierarchy maintain, and attributes maintain, and compounding also maintain. Okay, this is superior key. Okay, we'll see. Okay, in the every interview, almost out of 10 interviews, it will ask like, no, what is the difference between compounding and attributes also they will ask you. They will put question. Okay, so this and all will come. Okay, so while we are loading the data, you will understand. Okay, clear? Huh? Any doubt? So I can say like no. Here I will write the right when we create info object based on the settings it will create 10 tables in the backend. You can tell in the interview also same, and one master data view that is based on p plus q equal to m view. You can tell m view. Okay, based on P and Q table, it will create it. Clear? Huh? Any doubt? So minimum is we need to pass without data type and length, we cannot create. Example, okay, you already activated. I will go back. So I'm trying to create, okay, plant only. I'm trying to create plant only without length and, okay, just I will give it. You will come to know here only. Go to general tab where we are. Okay, it is already available. Okay, see here. So here data type, right? So I'm trying to activate it. See, I'm trying to activate it. What it is saying? What it is saying? Okay, red color. This one is enter type and length. Enter type and length. Enter type. This is length. This is type. This is length. And this is enter valid data type. Char, numsy, dat, tims. Either one you need to select. What is the output of length is allowed? So you can see here, red color means four errors are there. Yellow means only one warning. Okay, we will ignore okay these things. Okay, we will ignore green color, yellow color, and this only. You can remember like no your traffic lights. I mean, 4 means this is like all errors. We need to clear them. And yellow means warnings. Okay, green means success. We will ignore both. Only red with red thing we need to see. Okay. If you give minimum, okay, this one, okay. I'm trying to check this object. So still I'm facing issue. What it is saying? Give some length. Okay, if I give some length, okay. See here, are you facing same issue? No, I'm not facing any issue. See, I'm clicking this one. I'm not facing an issue. Characteristic is okay. So that means minimum is this one. If you want to know more about this topic, example, I selected data type, and in your laptop, press F1. You will get the material. You will get the material. You will get the material. What is the data type in ABAP dictionary? You can go through the notes. Okay, if you want to know, this is lowercase letters. Plus under the plant one, if you are sending the letters as a lowercase, then it will not allow. When you select this one, it will allow lowercase letters. See here, if you are sending the data lowercase letters, then it will allow plant. If you don't select this one, then it will allow only capital letters. It will throw the error. Okay. So even if you having, okay, you having master data, you having text and all, you maintain it. So even if you have hierarchy also, even if you have hierarchy also, even if you have location, location also, accompanying also. Okay, when you select this option, attribute only, then it will behave normal info object. Remember this. See here what it is. When you select this option, attribute only, then it will not behave master data. It is like the normal info object. Even if you select master data text and attributes hierarchies also, it will behave normal info object. Remember this thing. Okay, if you want to know this one, okay, select this one attribute only and click on F1 in our laptop. So it will give you. It will give notebook. Okay, if you set the attribute only indicator for a characteristic, it can only be used as a display attribute for another characteristic. It's not a navigation attribute. Okay, so like this you can use it. Okay, see, like this. Okay, who generated? I mean, might be you created one info object. You will tell to some people, okay, I didn't create it. So no, like that. So once I activate, you can see your name and your ID. Okay, I'm removing. Okay. So when I select this one, it is not possible to ask. It is not possible to see here. I'm getting below object. When I remove, then it is possible. See? Then here you will get in the real time also same your name, your ID, and your date when it was generated the object and what time it is generated. Okay. If you create anything in the B2B, I mean system, SAP system, you cannot skip. Okay. So you can tell to somebody, no, I didn't create. Then definitely they will come to know. Okay. By each and everything, they will track it in the backend. Careful. Okay. So these are the options will be there in the info object level. Okay. We'll see how to create, and I will go through very deeply in the attributes and component later point of view. Okay. Slowly we'll go. Okay. One by one. Okay. What is the master data? What is the transactional data? We want to understand it. So master data means what? So if we select any object, if we select any checkbox, okay, master data with the text or hierarchies, then it will behave master data. Transactional data in the master data level, we won't get any key figures amount. I mean,